My name is Kimberly. Today, I am here to talk about health and wellness. It is important to take care of our bodies and minds. When we are healthy, we feel good and enjoy life. I will share some easy tips that you can use every day. First, we need to eat good food. This means eating fruits, vegetables, proteins, and grains. Fruits and vegetables give us vitamins and minerals. These help our bodies work well. Proteins like meat, fish, and beans help build muscles. Grains like rice and bread give us energy. It is good to eat different colors of fruits and vegetables. This way, we get many types of vitamins and minerals. We should also eat smaller portions. Eating too much can make us feel sick or gain weight. Next, we must drink water. Water is very important for our bodies. It helps us think, move, and feel good. We should try to drink around 6 to 8 cups of water each day. Drinking water also helps our skin look nice. Exercise is important too. We need to move our bodies to be healthy. Exercise helps our hearts and muscles. It also makes us feel happy. There are many ways to exercise. We can walk, run, dance, or play sports. We should try to exercise for at least 30 minutes each day. If you are new to exercise, start slow and do more as you feel better. Sleep is another important part of health. Our bodies need rest. We should try to sleep for 7 to 9 hours each night. To sleep well, we can make our rooms dark and quiet. We should also have a regular sleep schedule. This means going to bed and waking up at the same time each day. Our mental health is important too. We need to take care of our minds. One way to do this is by managing stress. Stress is a normal part of life, but too much stress can make us feel sick. We can manage stress by taking breaks, talking to friends, or doing something fun. Another way to take care of our minds is by learning new things. We can read books, watch movies, or listen to music. We can also try new hobbies, like painting or gardening. Learning new things keeps our minds strong and happy. Lastly, we should have good relationships with other people. Friends and family help us feel loved and supported. We can talk to them, laugh with them, and share our feelings. Good relationships make us feel happy and healthy. In summary, to be healthy and well, we should eat good food, drink water, exercise, sleep, manage stress, learn new things, and have good relationships. If you enjoyed the video and learned something new, press the like button. And if you'd like to learn more, check out other videos in the beginner playlist or subscribe to the channel to help our channel grow.